Hey, what's up guys, Jay here. So in this video, I'm gonna be going over how you can set up super highly targeted YouTube segments before you start running those ads. So let's hop into my computer and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So basically what that looks like is when you're setting up YouTube audience segments, these are people who have interacted with your YouTube channel and videos. And so what we're going to build out is some audience segments inside of Google Ads for people to engage with your channel, watch your videos, and also subscribe. And we also need to set up a time frame, how long we need to keep these people inside this audience. So we have 30 days, 90 days, and 540 days, which is their maximum amount of time that you can keep someone inside of an audience segment. So let's hop into Google Ads real quick. And so to get to that point to where you're building out the audience segment inside of YouTube, you want to head over to Tools, Shared Audience, Audience Manager. And once you're inside Audience Manager, you want to hit the plus sign here, YouTube Users. And then now we can basically create our audience segments for YouTube. So the first one we should make is people that engage with the channel. So let's select the channel here. So select my nonprofit channel. And so let's do people that view any video on our channel. So we'll say video views, and we'll say 30 days. And then we'll set the date range here. And then as far as pre-fill, you want to select this basically just pre-fills people from the last 30 days when you create this audience list. And there's really nothing else to put in here. And so you want to hit save or hit continue. And there you go. And that's for people that watched your videos. And then next, we just want to repeat the same cycle. So let's do people that, let's say, subscribe in the last 30 days. Subscribe to the channel, last 30 days, let it populate, and hit continue. All right, so I'm gonna jump forward and show you all the rest of the audience once I've completed building them out. Now, as you can see, I built out all these new audience segments for YouTube. So basically, I have segments built out for people that visited the channel, people that viewed the video within 90, 30, 90, 500 days, people that liked any video within a certain time frame, people that watch my case study videos, especially if they're watching case study videos, they're more likely to become a client, and also everyone that's subscribed to the channel within 540 days. And so what you can do with these audiences is basically create YouTube ad videos to show up back in front of these people that have took these actions on your channel, and you can offer them your service or product that you have. It's a very easy and quick way to get some quick wins, some easy conversions, especially since these people already know, like, and trust you because they watched your videos. So if you found this video valuable, be sure to comment down below. If you have any other ideas of like what you need help with, just comment down below. Like I said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.